In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the logo, header and footer in PowerPoint using the master slide feature. Whether you're working on a presentation for a major project or simply refining a class assignment, mastering these elements is crucial for maintaining a consistent and professional look throughout your slides. So, let's dive right in and explore the straightforward process to customize your presentation effectively. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation you would like to edit. Have a document in mind that needs a cohesive and uniform appearance. Next, you need to head over to the View tab. You'll find this at the top of your PowerPoint window in the ribbon. Clicking on View opens up a range of options designed for precisely this kind of in-depth formatting and editing. Now in the View tab, look for the Slide Master option and click on it. Accessing the Slide Master is essential as it allows you to make universal changes to your slides rather than altering them individually. This feature ensures consistency, as anything you modify here will apply across the entire presentation. Once you're in the Slide Master view, locate the first slide, typically the one at the top of the column on the left hand side. This is important because any changes you make to this slide will serve as the base template for all other slides in your presentation. Selecting this slide sets the stage for editing headers, footers and logos uniformly. And now comes the fun part, customizing the master slide elements. Feel free to start moving, resizing or editing the footer, header or logo. These elements are usually placed around the periphery of your slide, making them easy to locate and adjust. You can click and drag them to a new location or resize them by clicking and dragging the corner handles. In terms of editing, double click on the text in headers or footers to modify it, ensuring that all the crucial information reflects your needs. Here's an extra tip. As you make these changes, take a moment to review the overall layout and alignment, ensuring everything looks polished and uniform. This small effort can make a big difference in enhancing the professionalism of your final presentation. Once you've finalized your adjustments, exit the Slide Master view. You'll see that your edits have been applied to all slides, saving you from the tedious task of making repetitive changes slide by slide. And there you have it. A perfectly edited PowerPoint presentation that maintains a clean, cohesive look throughout. Remember, mastering these tools not only saves time but also significantly elevates the quality of your work. So go ahead, give it a try and see the difference it makes in your presentations.